I'll just share with you the number one way that I generated business in my last business. So my previous business for 12 years, I had a training and facilitation business that worked specifically in the community and public sector. So we were working with not-for-profits. We were doing everything from facilitation of process, so strategic planning, ideation, engagement sessions, through to training around all the back-end stuff of running a not-for-profit. Now, how I generated business in that regard was I would go into a new city. This was before social media. I would send out flyers to every not-for-profit in town and say, we are running a 2-hour free workshop about sustainable funding. We'd get 100 people in the room, and I would do an express session on sustainable funding. From those 100 people in the room, 30 people would sign up to a one-day workshop around how to develop a sustainable funding plan. And it was a low-cost workshop, but when there's 30 people in the room, it was still an okay day rate. So it was about $150, $160 per person, 30 people in the room, $3.5K, $4K for the day. From those 30 people in the room, 1 or 2 people would say, okay, I get now how to do it. There's no way we can do this by ourselves. Can you come and facilitate some sessions to help us develop the plan? And so that worked as a business generation or lead development, but equally it made my heart sing because there were 70 people in that room who now knew stuff they would have never had the opportunity to know had I not offered a free session. So that's one way that deliberate generosity can work, but you would tweak it for your own context.